Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to turn on your profile views on your TikTok account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to turn on the profile views on your TikTok account, let's open up our TikTok app first. And after opening your TikTok app, the interface will be similar like to this, where you can see your liked and followed contents over here. And after opening your TikTok account, you can see the profile button on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the profile button, and after that you will see your profile interface, where you can see your draft videos as well as your posted videos. And on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the three line icon over there. Tap on your three line icon like this, and tap on the settings and privacy once the dialog box appears. And on this interface you can see the account category, and under the account category there is the privacy settings. Just below the manage account, tap on privacy, and on this interface scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and on the bottom of the list you can see the profile views. Tap over there, and you can see if you tap on the toggle icon which is turned green, it will be turned off and you will not be able to see your profile views on TikTok. And if you tap on the toggle icon like this and it turns to green, then your profile views on TikTok will be turned on. And then guys, this is how you turn on your profile views on your TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.